Craving something spicy, saucy and packed with flavor? Then this chili chicken recipe is going to be your favorite. Whether you serve it as a starter or pair it with fried rice, this dish never fails to impress. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. Take 250 gram of boneless chicken and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Add 1 teaspoon garlic and ginger paste, 1 teaspoon lemon juice and 1 teaspoon soya sauce. Now add half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon corn flour. Mix everything well until all the chicken pieces are evenly coated. Now let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Fry the chicken on medium flame until golden brown and crisp from outside. Once done, take them out and keep aside on tissue paper to absorb excess oil. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. In another pan, heat 3 tablespoons of oil on medium flame. Now add 2 cloves of chopped garlic and 3 tablespoons of chopped onions, 2 chopped green chilies. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes until slightly soft. Now add 1/4 cup chopped capsicum, add 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons sesame seeds and 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Now mix everything together and let it cook for another minute so the flavors combine. Now add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and half cup of water. Let it cook on low flame for about 1 minute until the sauce thickens slightly and turns glossy. Now add the fried chicken pieces to the sauce. Now mix everything well so that each chicken piece gets coated beautifully. Now cook for 2 minutes. Sprinkle some coriander leaves and the chili chicken is ready to serve. And that's it. Spicy, tangy and super crispy chili chicken is ready to serve. It's easy to make, full of flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.